Hey guys! Welcome back to another video, and I am Gwen Salmorin, and I empower Filipinos, especially breadwinners, to live a life of freedom. So, isa ka rin bang breadwinner na wini-wish mo na sana matapos na tong pagiging breadwinner mo? If yes, please watch until the end of this video to know more paano mo ba ito mangyayari. Or dapat nga bang wini-wish itong matapos na? So, for the first few years ng journey ko, ang wini-wish ko talaga nun is sana matapos na yung pagiging breadwinner ko. Kasi imagine back then, half ng sinusweldo ko napupunta talaga for the family. So sabi ko, paano kaya 'tong buhay na 'to 'no, na wala nang napupunta sa'kin, and does my life have to be like this forever? And lagi ko sinasabi 'no, na siguro 'pag natapos na 'tong pagiging breadwinner ko, magiging free na ako, magkakaroon na akong totoong freedom, ganyan 'no. Magiging free na ako from pain, burden, and suffering. So, here's what I did. Nag-hustle talaga ako 'no, talagang ang pinaka-goal ko nun is mapabilis lahat ng proseso, and para matapos na agad yung pagiging breadwinner ko. But along the way, ito yung na-notice ko 'no, is that sa pagpapabilis ko ng mga bagay, um, I was full of anger, full of dissatisfaction, I neglect important relationships, and na-burnout ako. Pero habang ginagawa ko yun 'no, na-realize ko na, so hindi pala sustainable na pinapabilis ko lahat ng proseso na yun para lang matapos kaagad. And this is what I have learned. Hindi ko naman siya kailangang tapusin. Why? Because in my situation right now, talagang hindi na kaya ng family ko to survive on their own. So, what I'm trying to do now, or what I did now, is how can I incorporate yung pagiging breadwinner ko into my life na sustainable. Meaning ng sustainable is that I find happiness, I find time to rest, I find doing the things na purposeful, but of course, still earning the money that I want and being able to do the things that I want to do in terms of finances. So, baka hindi mo naman kailangan tapusin talaga. Ang kailangan mo lang is to build a life integrating yung pagiging breadwinner mo, and make sure your life is sustainable. Because if not, unfortunately, no, baka bumigay yung katawan natin, mas lalo mag-suffer lahat. So, sustainability over speed. So, I hope guys, no, to those who are struggling as breadwinners, this helps you to navigate, no, or take a shift in how you see yung pagiging breadwinner, no, na you can actually build a life around it, and it's not the end of your story. So, if this video helped you, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video to all the other breadwinners na gusto nyo ring matulungan. So again, I am Gwen, and see you on the next video. Bye!